In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Meshy AI. Right up front, here's the key idea. Meshy AI mainly runs as a web app. That means you don't install a separate desktop or mobile application. Instead, you use it directly in your browser, then download the 3D models you create. I'll walk you through exactly how to get in, create something, and save it to your computer. On a Windows or Mac computer, open a modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Make sure your connection is stable, since 3D generation happens in the cloud. Head to the official Meshy AI website. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up or Log In button. If you already have an account, log in. If not, choose Sign Up and create one using your Google account, your Discord account, or an email address. Pick the option you're most comfortable keeping organized across your projects. After you're signed in, you can begin creating 3D content right away. Meshy offers two main creation modes, text to 3D and image to 3D. Text to 3D is perfect when you have a clear idea in mind and want to describe it in words. Keep prompts specific about shape, style, and scale for better results. Image to 3D is great when you already have a reference image or concept art and want to translate that into a model. Choose clear, well-lit images to give the system the best chance at capturing form and detail. Start a new project in whichever mode fits your needs, then let Meshy process your request. Generation time varies based on complexity, so give it a moment to finish. When your model is ready, you'll see options to preview it and, most importantly, to download it. Click Download to save a local copy to your computer. Meshy typically offers several widely supported 3D formats. GLB is efficient for web viewers and real-time engines, packing geometry, materials, and textures in a single file. FBX is common in animation and game pipelines, playing nicely with tools like Unity, Unreal, and major DCC apps. OBJ is a classic, broadly compatible format that many programs can open. It usually comes with a separate MTL and texture files. STL is ideal for 3D printing workflows because it focuses on clean, manifold geometry. Pick the format that fits your next step and save it in a clearly named project folder so you can keep track of versions and textures. And that's it. Use Meshy directly in your browser, create with text to 3D or image to 3D, then download your finished model in the format you need.